Hi guys, it's Maya here and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing part 2 of Secret Life of a Squishy Scammer skits. It's a skit. Part 1 was a skit 2, and it was the worst squishy package ever, so yeah, this is receiving it. Hope you enjoy my video. Oh, and by the way, the channel name that I say is not real, so I hope you mind that. Okay, welcome back to I Love Cupcakes 101. Sorry, I'm just not very well today. Yeah, I'll just go. Okay, I got a squishy package. I'm so excited, yeah. There. And, oh my god, I finally received it. It said it would have come in 2 days, but it takes like 2 months. 2 months. Ugh. And I finally got it. I finally got it. Yeah. First of all, the first thing I pull out is, okay, this list. Yeah, this list. Of all the things I ordered, and yeah, they're good things. They're good. Hey, what did I order? I know. I do know. And total 36 pence. Okay. Yeah, I hope I got a cupcake swishy a bit extra cut. Welcome back to I love Cupcake 101. Yeah. So I hope I get a cupcake swishy as my extra. First thing is Jumbo Rainbow Metallic Strawberry. 10 pounds. Jumbo white donut with blue sprinkles. And I got 2 of them. And no kitchen, because I hate kitchens. That was 5 pence. Giant chocolate milk with milk right in 8 pounds. There's some rubbish ones on eBay that are 14 pounds. Pug that has a chocolate sand, that's 7 pounds. That's in the UK. I don't know. She lives in the UK. Jumbo watermelon, that was $4, but pounds. Banana squishy, and it's jumbo. That's 4 pounds. Pounds. I hate pounds. Emoji jumbo scented squishy. 6 pounds. Total is $36 pounds. And it's from Maya's World. Go check out her channel. It's really good. Hope she has good squishy. No refunds. I get refunds if I want, lady. I hope the squishies are good. Alright. I asked for an extra. I hope there is one, oh, there is. Let's open this first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is bad packaging. Lady, you didn't package this good for me. I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna message you. If other squishies are bad, then I want my money back. Said no refund. I can do whatever I want, lady. Yeah. That was easy. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. There's a hole in it. That is a bat. I'm gonna contact her. What? What is that? What the hell? What? What was that? This? What even is that? Is this a Shopkin? I hate them. It's not coming out. There's another shopkin. Not coming out. Not coming out. Come out, you stupid shopkin. It's a boot. I hate boots. Yeah. 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 These, I hate them. I want my squishes. I thought it was like a cupcake squishy. Yeah. I'm back to my normal set. Okay. So it's supposed to get. Alright. Let's see. Thank you. Like one of my extras, like two. I paid like £2 for that extra. This is worth it. This is £2 on like gifts galore. £2 in gifts galore, she said. Some kind of weird. Like some kind of weird store in the UK. Well, thank you. This is good. You're safe now. I'm getting my dinner in a minute. Alright. So next thing I pull out is, what is this? Another extra. Thank you. I guess. Where did she get this from? Okay, that's enough extras, lady. I want to move on to my actual squishies. I'm not seeing any of my squishies. Okay, like, I've got this. I'm so not well. Oh my gosh, it's gonna spit like. This is called Milkshake. Alright. Next thing I pull out is another extra. That's enough, lady. That is enough. Like, that's enough. I don't see many squishes in there. Like 4. Okay, another extra. Thank you, I guess. What's the next thing? Another extra? That's enough, lady. What are you thinking? Thanks, I guess. I'm gonna email you. Okay. Like, what is this? Like, what? What? Another extra? Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't like it. I want my actual squish. What is this? Like, it's not the time it's a random squish. It must be an extra. Okay, that is enough, lady. This is the only thing in there, and it's another extra. It's a pug. Does it have a chocolate scent? No. Wait a minute. Are you telling me that this is my pug that has a chocolate scent for $7? I mean pounds. If I say dollars, I mean pounds. This is my emoji jumbo scented squishy that is £6, more like $1. This is my banana jumbo squishy. It's $4. This is my jumbo. Wait, what? Jumbo watermelon. $4. This is my giant chocolate milk with milk riding. That is $8. I pay cups. $8. This, oh my gosh. is my Jumbo Rainbow Metallic Strawberry. $10. This is like $4. There's only one of it, so rip off. That means this is my Jumbo White Donut with blue sprinkles times 2. No key, 5 pounds. It's like 1 or 2. I am going to text her. Can I have a refund? No! Please, because I'm mad. No. Again. Like, I want a refund. No, because I told you no refunds. Haha, trick you. You can't trick me, lady. I guess I have to have my squishies. I have what I have. I have what I have. I guess. Bye. I see you next time on what is my channel? Unicorns Love Cupcakes. I love cupcakes 101. Bye.